In this video, I'm going to show you how you can transfer a finished YouTube short over from your computer to your iPhone. Perhaps you've finished editing in CapCut and you want to just transfer it so you can upload it on your phone instead. So here is my YouTube short. I've got it in a folder. It's just called a random name. I just exported it from CapCut. Now what we can do to transfer it, we can use Google Drive. Now Google Drive allows us to transfer it over Wi-Fi and we don't need to plug our phone in. So go ahead and keep your file and know the location. Then go to a web browser. And from here, you want to type in Google Drive. And if you've got a Gmail account, you can just go ahead and open up Google Drive for free. And by default, you'll have 5 GB of free storage. Now, once you're inside of Google Drive, you want to go to New in the top left-hand corner. Then click New Folder. And if you're transferring files, I will keep them organized within a folder. So I'll just call this folder YouTube Shorts. Now we can go ahead and find the folder. If you don't see it right away, head over to My Drive. You can then filter the folder here through the last created, but just find the YouTube folder and then go ahead and click New and File Upload. Or if you've got your video opened in a new window, you can just drag it on here. So I'm just going to drag it on and wait for that to upload. So now that file has uploaded, we can now go ahead and download it on our iPhone. So I'll see you on the phone. So here we are on the iPhone, and now let's download that file. So go ahead and click on the App Store, and if you haven't already, you need to download Google Drive. So go ahead and search for it, just search for Drive and you should find it. So go ahead and open Google Drive. Now if you're already logged in on your phone to your Gmail account, then you'll already be logged into Gmail and Google Drive. From here you can just find the folder. So I'm going to click here and change it to last modified by me. Here you'll see YouTube Shorts. We can go ahead and click inside of that. Now here is our video. Now to download it, click on the 3 dots next to it, then go ahead and click on download and it will then save that file. It's going to ask you, would you like to add it to your photos? Click OK. And there you go. That file now should be saved. And here is this file in the photos. So I hope that quick video did help you out.